welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Airplane Story. So I've already played this, but I didn't make a video on it. So that's what I'm doing today. Let's see. I'm gonna have a part 2 with Eli or something. Let's go in here. Oh, hi, Bacon. Look, I have passenger, which means I've played. Oh yeah, I have to turn my volume up. I can hear feet. Man. Why is bro saying man? Someone literally just said man. I played this in like 2020, so yeah. I miss it. Oh, D8. Here's 8, but this D8. Who's sitting next to me? Oh, someone's sitting on C8. F9. So, yeah, there you go. Hello, everyone. This is the captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 5118. We are currently flying at an altitude at 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Where is this plane heading to? Feel free to explore the airplane. To your mom's house. Man, this chat is getting insane. Explore the plane. Okay. Let me have a look around. The plane has already been on. Imagine I come back and I'm sitting. Oh. I'm not reviving you. Now, please find your seats as we're about to cross an area of high turbulence. More like we're going to Canada. Going to Canada? Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is my seat, right? Okay, D8. Yeah, this is my seat. I'm pretty sure you take damage. Yeah, you take damage if you're not on your seat. Like those two people. Well, I finally have a partner who sits next to me. Thank you for your cooperation. We're going to India. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everyone. Oh yeah. Hello everyone! We are the crew members. We will be delivering delicious sandwiches. Enjoy! Some of them are poisonous, so I'm just not gonna eat mine. I'm saving it for when I actually need it. I'm just gonna say don't. Poisoned. Don't eat it at Chimpi. Cameron! I'm not feeling well. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. What did I say just now? Okay, we have to find him a thingy. Oh no, quickly! We need to find Gabriel's baggage for medicine. Look in the baggage storage is above you. That was a hard one. I found it! I'm gonna die. No, you're not, because we have amazing passengers. Whew, that was a close one. Good afternoon to all passengers. I inform you, we've reached a stable altitude. It would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. I remember in one story, I kept on saying, did we just do a battle? On one specific airplane. I think it was either airplane 2 or 3. I know it wasn't 4. Oh, no robot. Oh, hey, better get to see. It appears that we've lost energy. Hang on as we try to fix it. I'm just gonna call this guy Gabriel. Guys, look! What is that on the right wing? It appears to be a monster. Dot 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 dot. No, will not survive. Are those? What are you gonna say next, Myro? I'm allergic. Yeah, just get up on your seat. I'm just standing on my seat. This is all cool. Stand on your seat. Stand on your seat, y'all. Like these two people. We're alive. Don't stand on my seat. Hey, you pushed me off. Now I'm sitting on my seat. There's an open restroom. Oh. Okay, let's try that again. I did not see that. I thought we were supposed to be safe. And safe was not that. I mean, I still survived technically. But yeah. Ooh, 8 people. Oh, yeah, you're sitting on the door. But not on the floor. Why does that person have a head? Okay, let's try that again. I have B14, so I should have a window seat. Okay, I may not be on the window seat, but look. I'm by the window. Last time I was over there. If I could point, I would. Let me just point at myself. Hello everyone, this is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight 1196. Oh, that's cool, it has a different flight every time. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we will be arriving in no time to our destination. Feel free to explore the airplane. Though I'm just going to sit down, I already exploded. Explore it. Why is that so hard to say? Probably because I have a sore throat. Wait, so that means no more Gabriel? No! Now please find your seats as we're about to cross an area of high turbulence. I'm already on my seat, boy. Let's look through the plane. The plane is just a square. My life is a lie. No! Brum, brum. Looks like someone took damage. I can get out. Thank you for your cooperation. No, I'm not going to cooperate anymore. In fact, I'm going to go to first class. Get ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Who I should probably tell them. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. It could be poisoned. Is no one gonna eat it? Who ate it? That's mine. Why is mine in the wrong thing? Is that I found it! Why did you eat it? Phew! Phew! That was a close one. Did she literally just leave? So we found that for nothing? Good afternoon to all passengers. And for me, we've reached a stable attitude. That would be a good time to sit back, take a nap, and enjoy the ride. Oh yeah, just like last time, I'm gonna stretch. Okay, I might have stretched. And that stretch made me feel like I can fly! I believe I can fly! We have a few hours to go. Okay, good night, boy. I'm gonna go wait for the monster to spawn in. Monster incoming. Guys, look! What is that on the white wing? Dot, dot, dot. You will not survive! If you believe so. Ready? Are those? Come on, open up. I'm at a safe spot. The snakes cannot get me. I'm standing up here. Is it just us three or something? Yes, just us three. Guys, there's an open restroom. Quickly. We will be safer there. Oh, it's down. Phew. Okay, we all made it. Why did it say restroom outside but lavatory inside? I'm just gonna... Hey, I'm taking a food. Okay, we should discuss with everyone. Open up the door! Open! Place! Okay, we're finally going. Took long enough. Power is back up. And snakes again. Thank goodness. The creatures on the wing is also gone. Creepy. So we're just talking. Your attention, passengers. I have good news and bad news. What is it? Good news. The bad news is that we are losing a significant amount of oxygen. Oxygen masks will drop from over your seats. Take one quick! Give me oxygen mask! Like and subscribe and comment down below if you want me to make a part 2.